In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in QuickBooks Online. Managing expenses effectively is a crucial part of keeping your business finances organized, and QuickBooks Online makes this process simple and efficient. Whether you're recording transactions, editing details, or creating new entries, QuickBooks provides all the tools you need to stay on top of your spending. If you're not already using QuickBooks Online, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process for tracking expenses in QuickBooks Online. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account and navigate to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see the navigation panel. Click on Expenses. This will direct you to the Expenses section of QuickBooks Online. Now, make sure you're in the Expenses tab. This is where you can view all your recorded transactions. You'll see a table displaying important details about your expenses, including the date of each transaction, the type, the payee, the category, and the total amount. Take a moment to review this table and get a clear overview of your recorded expenses. If you want to review the details of a specific transaction, click directly on the transaction line. This will open a detailed view of that expense, allowing you to examine all the recorded information. If necessary, you can edit the details of any transaction. For example, you can update the payee, change the category, adjust the payment account, or add notes to provide additional context. Make sure to save your changes once you've made the necessary updates. QuickBooks also offers a convenient way to duplicate similar expenses. If you need to create a new expense that's almost identical to an existing one, use the copy option. This will create a duplicate of the selected transaction, which you can then modify as needed before saving. If you come across an expense that was entered in error, you have two options. You can select Void to keep the record but set its amount to 0, or you can choose Delete to remove the transaction entirely. Use these options carefully to ensure your financial records remain accurate. To add a brand new expense, click New Transaction in the top right corner of the screen, then select Expense from the drop-down menu. This will open a form where you can input the details of your new transaction. Fill out the form with the required information. Start by selecting the payee, then enter the date of the transaction, choose the payment account, and select the appropriate category for the expense. Don't forget to include the total amount. If you'd like, you can also add a memo to provide additional details about the expense. Once you've completed the form, click Save. The new expense will be immediately recorded and added to your list in the Expenses tab. You can now see it alongside your other recorded transactions. And that's it. Tracking expenses in QuickBooks Online is that simple. By following these steps, you'll keep your business finances well organized and up to date. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.